Were you not selected in this year's H-1B lottery? No need to panic. There is still possibly options available to you. Hi, I'm attorney Anita Piper, and I'm going to go through a couple of options within the alphabet soup that is immigration that you could still possibly consider even if you were not selected in this year's H-1B lottery. Maybe you want to stay in the United States as a tourist for additional 6 months. That's something that you can consider. Maybe you have $100,000 to invest in a US company so you can get an E2 visa. Maybe instead you actually have $1 million you want to invest in a company in the United States. That pathway can lead you to actually get your green card instead of just a temporary visa. Maybe you are an individual of extraordinary ability. What does that mean? Maybe you have publications that you've drafted and are published in scholarly articles. Maybe there's articles that are published about you and about all of the incredible things that you're doing in the United States. Maybe you want to actually still study. You got your bachelor's degree, you put yourself, or your employer rather, put yourself through the H-1B lottery and you weren't selected. Maybe it's time for you to get your master's degree, and it will actually even increase your chances of being selected in the lottery in upcoming years once you do have that master's degree. Maybe you can find an employer that's CAP exempt, that's either a nonprofit or is an affiliate of a university that can help you get a H-1B visa through the CAP exempt process, and then you can file a piggyback application for an employer of your choice. That's a possibility, and you can apply that year round. Maybe you want to get a J-1 visa because you're interested in becoming an intern or a trainee for a company. Maybe you can go and spend 1 year abroad for an affiliate company that has a subsidiary, sister, or affiliate branch within the United States, and then you can do an intercompany transfer from the foreign entity to the US entity. Maybe going back to that extraordinary ability, maybe you're not at the EB-1A or the national interest waiver ability portion just yet, but you can do the E-01, which has slightly less scrutiny, something you could consider. Maybe you're in a relationship with a US citizen and you want to get your green card down that pathway. Maybe you were selected in the diversity lottery, or you want to put yourself through the diversity lottery annually so that you have the chance of being selected. So as you can see, there's a plethora of options available to you. Reach out to us and we can go through and talk about your unique situation and see what options are available to you.